It smells like fish. This is edible? I don't know. I'm not gonna eat it. Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Lookfantastic beauty box of May. And this is the botanical edition. The focus was on natural and sustainable products. I'm very curious to see what we have in this one because I'm not sure. Do we have any makeup or skincare products? They say botanical. And in this month's beauty box we have 6 products and they claim that the overall value is £142. That's a lot, but if it's true, I'm going to be happy about that. I know that I'm a little bit late with this month's beauty box because I had some issues with my laptop and it took me so long to edit my last videos. I also did a community post and I have a MacBook Pro for the last 8 years. It was my husband's and I took it when I first started my channel. Now I'm trying to figure things out with our desktop so I can use another editing product. And I can be more efficient because it took me so long with my MacBook Pro and I was using the Final Cut Pro, which I love. I don't want to go to Adobe Premiere, but I have to because our desktop has Windows and a Mac desktop is very expensive. So this is my life update. Let me know in the comments what are your news, what is happening with you, is everything okay? So let's start unboxing. Oh my god, what am I doing? Okay, I opened it. We have a special message. Yes! Get lost in the wilderness. You were born to be free. We have our leaflet, super pretty. Ooh. No, don't read it. I really like that they are changing the colors every month. And this is how it looks. It's very heavy this month. It is worth £142. Okay, so the first product is this one here. It is a Wipeout eco-friendly microfiber cleansing cloth. Removes makeup with just water. This is very interesting. It is by the brand Magnitone, London. Okay, I'm very curious if this is actually working. Let me know if you want to see a first impressions video, a review video. So before you use it, you need to pop it into the washing machine at 30 degrees. Okay, I'm gonna do that. And ready to wipe away your makeup, wet your cloth with warm water and then use circular motions, gently wipe away your makeup. Do you think this is going to work? I don't know. So it says that you can use only warm water, no cleansers or chemicals needed, grab and hold microfibers, even removes long wear and oil-based makeup. Okay. Let's see how the actual product looks. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so soft. Something fell and this is, so they also have some other products. As I can see, these are also to remove makeup. They have skincare as well. Okay. I have never heard of this brand before. And this product is made in China, but the brand is from London. Have you tried any of their products? Let me know in the comments. After that, we have a product by Avant. This is the Hyaluronic Sweet Almond Seawater Shea Butter. And it is the ultimate hyaluronic acid resurfacing duo moisturizer. And we have 50 milliliters. This looks like a full size. It says that you can use a pea-sized amount of product on clean and dry skin every morning and evening. So it doesn't have any SPF. I don't really get it. Why does it say you can use it in the morning? That means that you will also need to use another product with SPF. And this one is cruelty free and also it can last 12 months. Up to 12 months. So I have used one more product by this brand and it was very expensive. It is another day moisturizer, again without any SPF, and that one is 112 euros. I didn't like it that much. I couldn't see a difference on my skin. I also think that I was getting breakouts from that one, and also it had a very intense perfume. So I want to see how this one smells because I think it smells. Okay, I think it doesn't smell. Let's see. It has a very nice consistency. The scent for this one is a lot lighter than the other product that I have used. I'm going to have it here because it was again a very big name of the product. Where is my leaflet? Here it is. Let's see. We don't have it in here. I will try again. Here it is. Oh my god. This is very expensive. This is why the box is so expensive. Okay. This is 100 pounds. Oh my god. That's very expensive. At the end of this video, we're going to calculate the overall value of all the products. And until now, we have 110 pounds. So 32 more to go. So, and after that, we have a product by Korres or Korres. I don't know the correct pronunciation, and this one is made in Greece. This is a Greek brand that I have been using for a lot of years because I was living in Cyprus. Also, I am half Greek, and this one is a Hydra Biome Probiotic Super Dose Face Mask, and this one has real Greek yogurt. Oh, we have the description in Greek. Now I saw that. Τεχνολογία φιλική στο μικροβίωμα. So very recently I did a review for the Pixie Hydrating Milky collection, and in that one we also have probiotics, and I could see that my skin was different and more hydrated with the products, and I really want to see if this one can work for me. Let's sniff it. Ta-da! I think it doesn't smell. Let's see. Ooh, it has a nice consistency on top of the lotion by Avant. Okay, I think the scent is very light. It is almost scentless. And this face mask can instantly cool, hydrate and nourish your skin. Apply a rich layer on dry, cleansed face, avoiding the eye area. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse off thoroughly. So we have 20 milliliters of product. For a face mask, I believe this one is a sample or a mini size. Not a sample, it is a mini size. So it doesn't say for which skin type it is designed. So let's see if we have any information here. This one is suitable for all skin types, but especially great for sensitive skin. That's nice. I'm very excited to try this. And let's see what else we have. So moving on. Where are my products? Okay, they were in the corner. This one is a brow gel. We have 4 milliliters. It doesn't say if this is a clear brow gel or if we have a color, but you know something? We can see. Let's open this. Oops, it looks like brown. No, it doesn't smell. So this is like an olive green brown shade. It's very weird. I want to read the description because I'm like, what is this? What is this color? Okay. So this Aiko Brow Gel tames unruly eyebrows and provides long-lasting hold without flakiness or stiffness, infused with beneficial ingredients including keratin and ginkgo biloba. What is that? To condition and thicken the hairs. The nano brush allows you to precisely define your brows but keeps them looking natural. So it doesn't say anything about the color. It is a little bit weird, isn't it? I mean, it's not brown. It is green. If you have tried this, let me know in the comments if you like it, because the color is not what I was expecting. Oh my god, it stained my hand. Why? It is green! Just a sec so you can see. Who wants green brows? I don't get it, but I need to try it on my brows. Maybe it works, you never know. You never know! Next, we have a product by Balance Me. This is the Hyaluronic Plumping Mist. It is 99.9 natural, somewhere in between %, created to effectively quench, plump, brighten and rejuvenate skin throughout the day. Directions: spray onto cleansed skin and pat it until fully absorbed. I think I have exactly the same product. I got it in one of the beauty advent calendars. I have also tried it and I couldn't see something significant on my skin, but I didn't use it a lot of times, so I can't say that it works or not. It's made in the UK and it is vegan. We have 10 milliliters. I'm not sure, I think this is the full size. It smells like fish. Ooh, that doesn't smell good. So now it smells like nothing. Also this one, so who knows. I don't usually use concentrated ingredients in my skincare routine. This one is a mini size. I'm not very sure if you can find this size on their website. I think you can find it in 30 milliliters. Let's continue with a very small product. This is by the brand Dr. Lip. It is the tint with sweet potato pigment. What? So this is 100% natural. We have 4 milliliters. This is a multi-award winning balm famous for its long-lasting moisture with edible plant-based pigment. This is edible? I don't know. I'm not gonna eat it. This one is free of any fragrance and additives. So very kissable. Okay, so this is a tinted lip balm. The packaging for this tiny product is super pretty. Ooh. It has a thicker consistency and for now it is very transparent. It is transparent. So I'm going to remove what I have now on my lips. It is a lip oil by e.l.f. I really want to see how this one looks on me. This one doesn't have any color. It looks like a very glossy, clear lip balm. While I was swatching, I felt that it was very thick, but on the lips it's not. It doesn't have a significant scent, but it smells like when I was younger. I was using another lip balm. Oh, it reminds me of Vaseline. Yeah, this one smells like Vaseline. Okay, that's all. I remembered. Let's read the description. Maybe we have some additional information. This one is a moisturizing color lip tint in sweet potato. By the way, it doesn't taste like sweet potato. It doesn't have any taste actually. Get a subtle pop of color. Where? A tinted balm made with just 4 natural ingredients. Ooh, look, do we have the ingredients? No, we don't. Okay, what to do? Lanolin gives the balm its moisturizing properties. Sweet potatoes provide the tint. I don't see the tint. It is 100% natural and cruelty-free. This balm will leave your lips super soft. Yeah, I think it will. It is very lightweight on the lips and I like that it is so glossy. This looks like a sample. Let's see. The website is very slow. I think they have an app. Maybe I should download that. Who has time for that? The original size is 8 milliliters. So we have half of the product and this is a mini size. Do we have anything else? I think that's all. Oh, that's a very pretty color. I have done my calculations and the overall value is 142 pounds. So this is what they claim and this is what we got. So 4 products are in a mini size and we have 2 full size products. I think that we got enough quantity for all of the products. Maybe the face mask is not so much, but I need to try it and see if it is spreadable. Maybe I don't need a lot of product. About the variety of the products, I'm not disappointed. I actually like what I got. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite product of today's video. For me it is this lip balm because it is super glossy. If you like this eye look, you can see here how to do it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell and I will see you in the next one. Bye!